Today I am taking the last, that is question answer of the poem number 3, The Voice of the Rain. Today I first take up central idea of the poem The Voice of the Rain. Central idea that I have written. The rain calls itself poem of the earth. It is everlasting and perpetual, means continuous. Everlasting means हमेशा के लिए होने वाली घटना. It is something that cannot be touched. It originates from the land and bottomless means deep, gehri sea. Then it rises upward to heaven, sky, where it changes its forms into a cloud. The clouds. Yet remains the same in quality. From the sky it falls on the earth to wash or bath. The dry, thin particles and dust layers of the earth. The rain helps the unborn seeds to sprout. Here sprout means to begin to grow into new leaves. यानी नए पत्तों में ग्रो करना बढ़ना शुरू कर देते हैं. Hidden under the layer of earth, rain gives back life to its origin, making it pure and beautiful. Now, question 2. What does the rain do day and night to the things? The rain gives back life to its own origin, that is, khud ki origin, and continues making it pure and beautiful. The action of rain is automatic. It is a source of life to all things like plants, animals, and humans, without which it would remain seeds ungrown into the earth. Question 3. Why does rain say, I give back life to my own origin again? और this question may be asked, इस तरह से भी पूछा जा सकता है. What answer does rain give to the poet about its origin? The rain answered the poet that it was the poem of the earth. It rose eternally out of the earth, indefinitely, eternally, land and bottomless sea, deep sea, and goes forward upward to the sky. There it is formed unclearly and changed its form to the clouds, but it remains the same in the quality. Question 4. Why is rain compared to music? Answer is the poet compares the rain with music. संगीत से इसकी तुलना करते हैं. The poet watches the soft falling showers of the rain. पानी की बूंदों को नीचे गिरते हुए देखता है. The showers are falling very lightly, producing a soft music. Like music, rain too, यानी भी, is life-giving and inspirational, प्रेरणादायक होती है. It spreads love and joy in our heart. Now, continue to the next. Question 5. That is, behind the apparent means pratyaksh simplicity, the poem hides a deep meaning. इसके पीछे कविता एक गहरा अर्थ रखती है. What exactly does the poet convey to the readers? Okay. The poem is not only a description of life cycle of rain, it has deeper meaning. Rain is a poem of or thing of beauty to the earth or of the earth, and so it is song or music. It transfers from one person's heart to another person's. The comparison between rain and music and their function making the earth pure and beautiful conveys, ये पहुंचाती है poem, the eternal role of natural phenomenon and art means kala in real life. This is all about that. Okay, I will take the next chapter number 5 from this book. Thank you.